What are we gonna do, Mickey Mouse?
I don't know.
What are we gonna do? I mean, the thunderstorm is going. I'm just gonna look outside. Well, we looked outside. Oh, man.
Scary, Mr.green.
I know.
Why is it scary?
Wow.
What?
I think it's really raining out there. Wow. Man. What are we gonna do, Mickey Mouse?
I don't know. It's scary.
It is scary.
Oh no, I can't see it.
Thunderstorm's still going, isn't it?
I can't. Mr.green, I could cry.
I'm gonna cry too. We had to shut everything off. All because of the stupid thunderstorm.
Yes.
Oh man. Oh man. I just wish I could just play video games. But I can't. I had to save the electricity so that in case the thunderstorm would zap. Man, what are we gonna do? I have an idea.
What?
Dracula Mickey Mouse is in the nighttime and he has a lot of powers. Maybe we could ask him. Let's go. Let's go, Mickey Mouse.
What seems to be the problem?
Yeah, hi, Dracula Mickey Mouse. We're wondering, since you have a lot of powers in the nighttime, right, Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Since you have a lot of powers in the nighttime, we were wondering if you could stop this thunderstorm.
Oh, I hear the clashing lightning. Oh, yeah, thunderstorm, right. Okay, I'm sorry I cannot go in the light. If I go in the light, then, I'm afraid I might not get I just think I might die if I go in the light for too long. I have to spend 48 minutes in the darkness. I can spend a couple hours in the light, but I have to spend a couple of hours in the darkness too. So I have to spend 2 hours in the darkness, but I don't know. I don't have a lot of powers for thunderstorms. I only have powers for blood, bats, blood-sucking mosquitoes that will make you die, and also...
Yeah, we get the point, but can you at least help us?
I'm sorry, I do not know what to do for you. I don't think I can help you. Sorry.
Oh man, Mickey Mouse, what are we gonna do? Do you know what we're gonna do? Mickey Mouse.
Big Mickey Mouse.
Big Mickey Mouse?
Yes. He's not going to share us.
Alright, maybe we could go ask him. Let's go.
Woo.
Woo. We have to be quiet, Mickey Mouse, or else he'll wake up. Come on. Ooh. No, 554. Ah! Okay. Shh, be quiet. Who wakes the giant? Mickey Mouse! Nothing? Who this? Oh, what was that for, Dracula Mickey Mouse?
That was for waking my beauty rest. Rah! 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 Ah! Ah!
Stop it! Stop! We came here to ask you if you could stop a thunderstorm. Flash of lightning went again. Oh man. We came to ask you if you could stop this thunderstorm.
I cannot stop the thunderstorm. I'm sorry. Got a good night rest.
Oh man, I guess no one's gonna help us with us, Dracula. Wait. You could ask Dracula and Mickey Mouse. Wait, hold on. Remember what he said to us last time?
I am sorry. I cannot help you.
That's what he said to us. Oh, man. If only the thunderstorm could stop.
Stop! Stop!
What was that?
Stop! 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 You want the thunderstorm to stop?
SpongeBob, you are annoying!
Stop! 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 I know, Patrick. You like Krabby Patties, don't you, Squidward?
What? No, I don't like Krabby Patties! I want you to help us! Please, you have to help us! The storm keeps on going, and what do you think you can do to stop the storm?
Stop! 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 What I always do is blow bubbles.
What? To stop the storm, you blow bubbles? Are you insane?
Yes!
This is totally bogus!
Yes.
It's not fair! Right, Mickey Mouse?
Yes!
It's totally bogus. How is he ever going to help us? How are you ever going to help us?
I will help you, like I just said. I don't want to say it a freaking again, so shut up.
You are annoying, Mickey Mouse.
Yes.
I don't want to talk to you.
Don't call me Mickey Mouse, you idiot.
You never help anyone, SpongeBob.
I help with Krabby Patties and bubbles.
God. God. Oh, Mickey Mouse, no one will ever help us.
No.
Oh, man.
How about we?
How about we?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah, he can stop a storm. So, what about the bubble trick? No bubble trick.
Oh, what are we going to do? Man.
How about a doggy can stop a storm?
Doggy won't stop the storm.
Yes.
Nothing will stop the storm.
Maybe I will.
Huh?
Me, Woody. Woody. Come on. Woody.
Okay, what are you going to do?
Okay, I have a rope, right?
Okay, you have a rope and?
And what I could do is I could lasso the storm. I could lasso the storm with my rope, and then, bam! The lightning will be gone. Just like how fast lightning is. Lightning will be gone. The lightning and the thunderstorm will be gone. So, what do you say to that?
I say it's probably like a win-win for everybody, I guess.
Well, that's what I could do. I have a badge, I have a rope, I have guns, and I technically have all these other things. You know, I kind of need a girlfriend too, but Mr.green, oh, Mr.green, if only you could find me a girlfriend. Oh, lonely man, if only you, oh, you could find me a girlfriend. Oh, you, Mr.green, if only you could find me a girlfriend.
Hey, wait a second, you want to date Rosie, don't you?
Oh, no, not Rosie. It's just this brown-haired girl in a purple dress. And she...
That's Rosie!
Well, who cares? I still want to date her anyway. I still want to date Rosie anyway.
Well, sorry, that's a no-no. She's my girlfriend. You can't date Rosie.
Fine, I guess not. Oh, man, gosh. If only what I could do with this rope. Man. Okay, so, okay, in order to do this, to lasso that thunderstorm, it's gonna cost you.
How much?
$2 dollars.
I guess then that's a win-win. All right, $2. Lasso that thunderstorm.
All right, guys, I'm back from striking that lightning and lassoing it.
Oh, Woody, you look like crap.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, that's pretty bad. But luckily I struck the thunderstorm. You have that $2?
Yeah, right here. Mr. Green!